Happy Women's Day to all the lovely ladies out there. Although this video is for everyone, but if you're a woman, I want you to watch this video and reshape your life the way I did. In February 2020, I had set up my own English personality development and tuition classes. And in March, government imposed lockdown. I had invested a lot of money, efforts, time in setting up those classes. My dreams went up in the smoke the moment this pandemic hit us hard. If you are someone who has gone through something like this, or if you're someone who has already given up or thinking of giving up, I want you to watch this story, my failure story. I'm sure after watching my story, you're going to change up your mind. And I will be very happy if I can leave an impact even in one person's life. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on parenting, work from home, personality development, English and lot more. And you're watching my channel Lot to Learn. After March, for 1 or 2 months, my earning almost came down to zero. Today I am earning 30 to 40,000 per month. Although I am aiming for high, it will happen. First, let me talk about my failure. This is not a failure. I should not call it a failure. It has happened with many people, many of people around me. But the thing is how you overcome it. So I was doing well. I was taking my English classes. I was teaching students till 10th class. I used to take tuitions. I used to teach maths and science. And then all of a sudden, I thought of taking my classes to the next level. As I was getting good number of students at home, so I thought, why not to take it to the next level? So I took space on rent. I got brochures printed. I bought new chairs. I got 20 feet long glow sign board made for my classes. In fact, I started looking for teachers. I wanted to hire some teachers, so I spoke to a couple of teachers also. I gave 3 to 4 months to all this. During this time period, my YouTube work got ignored. I could not post videos for almost 4-5 months. If you're a regular subscriber, you might have noticed that. And finally, lockdown began in March. I ended up paying rent for that space till June. But somewhere in my heart, I knew that this coronavirus thing is not going to end so soon. So the class became a dead duck for me. Then I thought of vacating the place, which wasn't easy for me. So in July, I had no students to teach. Due to COVID-19, we all were restricted to our home, so we could not go out, we could not call anyone to our place. Back then, I wasn't earning anything from my YouTube videos also. More than this, I was filled with emotional burden, guilt, disappointment. I come from a middle class family. Generally, we do not have so much to lose in terms of money. I took money from my husband and I lost it. That was killing me inside somewhere. When I was crying, when I was upset, my husband hugged me and said, forget about money, you can earn it later. It takes a lot of courage to take such big decisions, and when these decisions go wrong, we kind of start questioning ourselves somewhere. But I am amongst those who never give up. I fall, I break, but then I stand again. I had worked for an app long before where people pay to practice English. They contacted me again. They wanted me to work for them. Due to lockdown, more and more people were turning towards online classes. This is what made me think that why can't I start my own online classes? Prior to this pandemic, I had never believed in online classes. It was an experiment for me. See, the opportunities are always around us. We just have to dig deeper into this. So I left message on my social medias, I informed my old students, and that's how my online English classes began, which is going good. I had also worked hard for my YouTube channel. Lot of research, lot of analysis, lot of new videos, lot of experiments, and I have gained good number of subscribers in couple of months. In fact, I've got my first payment, I guess in December or January. Brands started approaching me and I worked with them in collaboration with them. I have always believed in myself. I keep on trying new things. I'm always ready to learn new things. For me, it's not about always money. It's about learning also. People would often ask me, how much do you get from YouTube? कितने पैसे मिलते हैं views के? कितने videos बनाने पड़ते हैं? They never talk about my work. They never talk about my videos. They just want to know about earning part. My life got completely changed when I shifted my work completely to online mode. And now I enjoy that. I don't get time to take tuitions or teach students physically at home. I don't think in future I will think about opening up classes again, because what I am doing, this has lot of potential and it is convenient too. At the same time, it is challenging too, as I work from home. I strongly believe when one door gets closed, other get open. Let me share how I have done that. But before that, if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon where all is written. Then only you are going to get notifications for all of my videos. I read some books, some good books that helped me to change the way I think, the way I behave. I used to listen to some mantras, still I do that, and it really helps me a lot. If you want me to make a separate video on all this, put a comment in the comment box. At the end, I would want to say, never give up. It's always about you. You are important. Circumstances are not important. So keep trying, do not quit. Thank you so much for watching me.